steer it. Steer it.
It doesn't really steer.
You're gonna need to be on your feet.
Well, you gotta stand up. Nerdlet.
That's good control. She was keeping it from getting away from her. Oh, don't do it with your mouth. Echo. Don't do that with your mouth. Yeah. 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 So, what are you going to do now?
I'm going to attack Mommy.
You beat me? You beat me to it? Oh. Alright, that's close enough. Go back the other way. Where's Mommy? Let's go get Mommy. Let's go get Mommy. Come on.
She's giving you a head start. Because she cheats.
We're getting Mommy. Oh. Oh, am I supposed to keep going? Okay. There you go. Bonk. Bonk. Can you go the opposite direction? Go around it and go the other way. There we're going. Alright. Whoa.
Daddy can't crawl backwards that fast.
You got me trapped. Can you keep up with it? You ran into something. Oh no. Okay, one more time. One more time. And that's
Yeah, you
all.
think it's going to be one more time.
One more time. This is gonna end in tears. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, you got me. You got me. You got me. Oh, wave to Mommy. Wave to Mommy.
Echo.
Echo, wave to the camera.
Echo.
Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Can you wave to the camera?
Echo.
Okay. bet you I can head this off. Echo, where's Lucy? Where's Lucy? Oh, I'm gonna run Lucy over.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to up the fat content of the cat's diet. Okay. I think it's time for the walker to go bye-bye.
Oh, yay.
We're gonna have to put it out of sight.
Yay. Say yay. Can you say yay?
Yay!
Oh, yay.
He clap.
He clapped.
Yay!
Yay, that was lots of fun. Yay.
Yay!